In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Chrome PDF Viewer on a Mac. If Chrome keeps downloading PDFs instead of opening them in a tab, switching a single setting will turn on the built-in viewer so you can zoom, search, print, or save without leaving your browser. We'll do everything from within Chrome's settings. First, look up to the top right corner of Chrome for the three-dot menu icon. Click it, then choose Settings. This opens a new tab where all of Chrome's preferences live, and it's the safest place to make changes without affecting anything else on your Mac. In the sidebar on the left, click Privacy and Security. This area controls how sites handle content and permissions, which is where PDF behavior is managed. Now click Site Settings. You'll see a long list of things sites can do: camera access, pop-ups, and, importantly for us, content types. Scroll down to the Content section. It's easy to miss, so take your time. When you see it, click Additional Content Settings to expand more options. This reveals some less obvious controls that aren't shown by default and includes specific settings for how files open. Next, click PDF Documents. This page has the switch that decides whether Chrome opens PDFs right in the browser or downloads them to your Mac. To turn on the built-in viewer, select Open PDFs in Chrome. When this is on, PDF links will load in a regular tab with Chrome's viewer controls at the top. You'll notice buttons to zoom in and out, rotate pages, search within the document, print, and save a copy if you still want one. It's fast, convenient, and keeps your desktop from filling up with unnecessary downloads. A quick tip after you make this change: if a particular PDF still downloads instead of opening, it might be because the website forces a download, or because a PDF extension is overriding Chrome's default behavior. The setting you just changed is the correct place to enable the native viewer. Extensions or site rules can occasionally supersede it. Also, remember that the viewer is designed for reading and basic interactions. If you need advanced editing, you'll still want a dedicated PDF app. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, expanding additional content settings, opening PDF documents, and choosing Open PDFs in Chrome, you've enabled Chrome's PDF viewer on your Mac. From now on, clicking a PDF link should open it instantly in the browser, keeping your workflow smooth and your desktop clutter-free.